This is the Sony LinkBuds S, and Sony says these tiny earbuds are meant to give you powerful sound, ANC, and all-day comfort in a package so small you'll barely notice it's in your ear. But after using them daily for weeks, I found a few things they didn't tell you in the ads. Stick around, you might be surprised what works and what doesn't. Sony LinkBuds S Product Overview. So, what are we looking at here? The LinkBuds S are Sony's middle-of-the-road true wireless earbuds, launched in mid-2022, meant to bridge the gap between the ultralight, ambient-aware original LinkBuds and the premium and pricier WF-1000 XM4 pair. They are closed-ear earbuds with active noise canceling, ANC, silicone tips, and a compact, lightweight build designed for everyday use, whether that's commuting, working out, or binging podcasts on the subway. Sony LinkBuds S Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this thing actually perform day to day? I tested the LinkBuds S in a variety of real-life situations, from noisy coffee shop work sessions and subway commutes to gym workouts and evening relaxing with music. For commuting and travel, they practically shine. The ANC does a solid job of reducing engine rumble, ambient chatter, even the dull hum of air conditioning. And because the buds are so light and sit snugly with the right tip size, I never felt like I was constantly adjusting them, even after hours of wear. On a typical 75-minute commute, background noise got knocked down just enough that I could stay focused on my playlist or podcast without cranking volume to ear-shredding levels. For workouts or gym sessions, they also hold up well. They're IPX4 rated for splash resistance and stay put even during movement. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the LinkBuds S stand out and what you actually get out of those features. Active noise canceling, or ANC. This is a big one. Unlike the original LinkBuds, which prioritized ambient awareness, the S model goes full back black and offers real ANC. In real-world noisy environments like buses, trains, or crowded streets, that means less distraction and lower volume needed to block out sound. Multipoint plus Bluetooth 5.2. With firmware update 2.0.2, the S supports Multipoint, so you can pair the buds to two devices at once, say your phone and your laptop. That's clutch if you bounce between devices. Bluetooth 5.2 also means reliable connectivity and a decent range while streaming. Codec support, SBC, AAC, LDAC. Because they support LDAC, the LinkBuds S can deliver high-res audio on supported devices and apps. That's a win if you care about audio fidelity. For iPhone or AAC-only devices, sound is still decent. Customizable audio via app. The default sound leans warm and bassy, which helps give songs some punch. But mids and treble can feel a little rolled off. The companion app lets you tweak EQ and use presets, handy if you want to bring out more detail or dial the sound toward your taste. Design and build. Here's what they feel like in your ears and pocket. First off, they are small. Sony claims they're the world's smallest noise-canceling wireless earbuds at launch. The housings and charging case are constructed largely from recycled plastic, not just a sustainability flex, but meaning the buds stay light and the case is easy to toss in a bag or jeans pocket. Fit-wise, if you pick the right tip size, they slide in easily and stay put whether you're walking, running, or just relaxing with music. They're discreet too. The shape and colors, black, white, beige, or ecru, plus a recycled material earth blue finish, make them look like almost any other earbuds. No bulky gaming earbud vibe here. Pros. Great combination of compact size, comfort, and stability. Ideal for commuting, workouts, everyday listening. Solid ANC and noise isolation that actually improve focus in noisy environments. Multipoint plus Bluetooth LDAC gives flexibility for device switching and high-res audio for Android users. Cons. Sound can feel somewhat warm and bassy by default. Treble detail and high-end clarity are a little muted compared to flagship buds. Microphone or call quality is just okay, not great, not ideal if you rely heavily on calls or conferencing. Final verdict. So who are the LinkBuds S actually for, and do they deserve your money? If you're someone who values everyday versatility, commuting, working out, walking around the city, or just lounging with music, the LinkBuds S hit a sweet spot. They're lightweight, fairly comfortable, and deliver enough quality and convenience to make them a genuinely great all-rounder. For Android users who value LDAC high-res audio and may bounce between phone and laptop, Multipoint and codec support at real value. If instead you're an audio purist chasing perfect fidelity, or you live in a lot of chaotic, noisy environments and expect top-tier ANC and microphone performance, you might be better off stepping up to a more premium pair.